Hi, welcome to Gene Biohacking for Healthy Hair. I am Doctor Arvind Poswal from Dr. A's Clinic, Delhi, India. So we continue the series of lectures, and today I will be explaining to you about resveratrol grapeseed serum and fisetin liposomal lotion, the two primary lotions used in this therapy. So if you have already gone over my last lecture or last video, you will understand that our hair stem cells are conditioned by our lifestyle. So what does resveratrol, grapeseed and fisetin, what are they and how they can help us? We'll be talking about that today. But before that, I'll request you, do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you keep on coming to know whenever I release a new video. Also like the video, of course. I like it, I also feel happy. And share this video with your friends and with your doctors. It is important that this information, this knowledge should be shared as widely as possible. Last time we spoke and I said that our genes of hair loss are switched on by an unhealthy epigenome. So how will you protect your stem cells in the hair roots? By giving them antioxidants, of course. Resveratrol and grapeseed, they come in a serum form. They are obtained from black grapes. Grapeseed, as the name is very obvious, and resveratrol comes from the skin of black grapes. It is also there in red wine and a whole lot of other things, but I'll not advise you to start drinking wine to grow hair. That doesn't work. But what works in this field is, one, that we need to get this resveratrol grapeseed serum into the skin layer, not just on top of it. So how will we do that? We'll do that by using derma roller, once a week application of derma roller. As I have said earlier also, use a derma roller with at least 1 millimeter length needle and use it on the scalp, press it properly and then move back and forth in the direction of your hair growth. Do not go crisscross like this in this way. That will only break your hair. And always wet your hair thoroughly before you use the derma roller. You can check out my previous videos if you want. Now once you use the derma roller, you press it properly and go back and forth. What happens is there is pinpoint bleeding. And remember, whenever there is pinpoint bleeding, you will get the benefit equivalent to a PRP session, platelet-rich plasma session. Why? Because whenever any needle pokes into the skin and you have even a tiny drop of blood coming out, body will send its platelets and growth factors to that area. So we have to use this loophole of nature. We don't have to keep on going for the rest of your life. Every month you go back to the doctor, tell him to give you injections of PRP. That is not a logical option. The logical option is when you use derma roller once every week. So there you get the PRP benefit. Second, once the derma roller is used and the pores are open, then you apply resveratrol grapeseed serum. So what does resveratrol grapeseed serum do? One, they are antioxidant. So definitely it protects the stem cells from all the environmental damage, all the bad things which are there in the blood from our diet and lifestyle. And secondly, which is even more important, is that resveratrol especially, it increases the telomerase level so that the telomeres which are present at the end of the DNA in the stem cells of your hair root, they become healthy and long again. I know it is a long sentence, you can rewind it, listen again. What happens is when our epigenome turns unhealthy, or our lifestyle is bad, then the telomeres which are present at the end of the DNA, it starts getting short and short and shorter and shorter. Once it becomes very short, then the DNA cannot divide. If the DNA cannot divide, the stem cell cannot divide, which results in a small weak hair which is ultimately lost. So the key lies in making the telomeres young and long again. And that the scientists have proven by making sure that the resveratrol and fisetin also, it reaches into your skin. And how we do that in the clinical practices? By using derma roller or derma pen and then applying resveratrol grapeseed serum. So one, it will protect the stem cells. Second, it will activate the DNA so that the stem cells start multiplying. Once they start multiplying, then your hair becomes stronger. Similarly, fisetin, which is obtained from strawberries, this is also a natural compound. I am not advising any harmful medicines like finasteride. So fisetin also, when you apply on the skin, fisetin, by the way, you have to apply once a week on the scalp. You can apply it twice, but convenience way, you can apply once a week. Rub it into your scalp before using the derma roller. That way you will push fisetin into the skin also. So fisetin will also increase the level of telomerase enzyme in your skin, which in turn will lengthen the telomeres. So then your DNA will be able to divide, which will result in your stem cells multiplying. More stem cells, healthy stem cells will mean healthy and thicker hair. This is what we see in our clinical practice also. You want to see the results? I have posted them on my website also. Website is fushair.com. So now, apart from the telomerase action, fisetin also is a senolytic. What happens is, in our body, in our hair roots also, some of the cells just become old. They are called senescent cells. Senescent cells are those which will not do any work. They are not going to multiply, they are not going to perform their work, but they keep on secreting harmful chemicals. They don't die off also. Those harmful chemicals make the surrounding cells also weak and senescent. So fisetin is a senolytic. Remember this word, senolytic. A senolytic, once the purpose of a senolytic is to kill those senescent cells. Once those senescent cells are dead and out of the way, then your healthy stem cells can start multiplying again. So this is how resveratrol grapeseed serum and fisetin lotion go into your skin, act on the stem cell level, protect them and help them to multiply. Let me know if you have any question on these two serums. But before you straight away go and start off using the derma roller and these serums, a word of caution. Remember, I am sharing my knowledge. You are not my patient yet. So I do not know what other underlying medical conditions you may have. If you have diabetes, I will not advise you to use a derma roller because your blood sugar is high. Similarly, if you have any medical condition, my advice is to show to your healthcare advisor or your doctor or your family doctor before you start these treatments. If you don't have, or if the doctors are not knowledgeable enough about these aspects, then you can contact me also. You can contact me by WhatsApp or by email. I'll be happy to answer you. So this is the second talk on this, and we'll keep on continuing this topic. This is the world of biohacking, how you modify or you make your own stem cells young and healthy once again. So if you want me to talk about any specific topic, do not hesitate, drop me a message. I'll be happy to talk about that also. Next time we'll be talking about NAD precursors. NAD is energy, the currency of life. Meanwhile, have a good day. Thank you. Bye-bye.